Hey people, thank you once again for joining us. Today is Wednesday, again 6 p.m. Central Europe time. Another episode of a video. If you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Maggie, M&S Beauty Concept YouTube channel. In this channel, we do lots of video about beauty, DIYs of beauty products, tutorials, and helping you to define the beauty in you. If you have not subscribed, don't hesitate to do that. We upload every new video every Wednesday. Once again, thank you. I'm so happy.
You make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad. I like my life with you. 'Cause you're my one love, and then I say.
Today's video, I'm going to be talking about tips to keep your feet happy so that you can float them confidently. Yeah, feet is the important part of our body. Feet is popularly seen as the foundation of the body. Feet are among our most important body parts. They get you where you want to go, help you to stay healthy through physical activities, and provide you the freedom of movement. 6 tips to help improve and maintain your foot health. Number 1, clean your feet daily. Wear clean and dry socks. Yes, daily cleaning of the feet is very important. Even when you are taking your shower, try to pay more attention to your feet. Clean it, wash it, and after that dry it properly and wear a clean and dry socks. Number 2, inspect your feet regularly. It can be on daily basis, it can be twice, 3 times a week. Number 3 tips to improve and maintain your foot health. Number 3 point is always wear fitted, comfortable, and ventilated shoes. Fitted, comfortable, and ventilated shoes. Don't buy a shoe that is not your size, because the shoe you find it very beautiful, you find the shoe very trendy, you want to belong, you put it, is very bad for your foot health. Yes, foot, like you heard from me before, is the foundation of the body. When the feet are damaged, it will be very difficult for one to move from one place to another. So when buying shoe, buy the shoe that you are comfortable with, that is well fitted, and that is good ventilated. The number 4 tip is cut your nails with the right tools carefully and regularly. Yeah, cut your nails regularly, carefully, and with the right tools. Number 5 is moisturize your feet at night. It's very important. You have to have your foot cream. If you don't have a special product you are using to moisturize your feet at night, it must not be expensive product. You can use your olive oil, you can use your shea butter, you can use your vitamin E oil, or you can as well use peppermint oil. It depends on the oil you have. Number 6 is eat healthy. Healthy lifestyle helps a lot, makes us to be healthy. So the feet, healthy eating lifestyle is very important. That will help you to keep your blood sugar under control, because when you are having problem with your sugar level, having diabetes is very, very risky. When somebody, the feet is not really taken care of, you can have a diabetes feet that will result to amputation of the legs. Number 7 tip to keep your feet healthy is get periodic foot exams. What do I mean by periodic foot exam? Is go to your doctor, do your regular foot checkup. If you have been going to doctor and they've not been checking your foot with your general control, try to remind your doctor as well. And also do your homework as well. Always check your foot regularly. When you observe any changes, when you perceive any strange odor, or you are sweating in your foot, don't keep it to yourself. Go to a legalized practitioner and don't get a help from them. The foot, what you are not allowed to do to your foot. Number one, don't wear too tight shoes. Don't wear tight shoes. Number two, don't share your pedicure instruments with other people, except when you are by a beautician or you are in a cosmetic studio. Those people, when they use different instruments or different instruments for people, these always well sterilized and they are sterile. So when for your own instrument at home, make sure it's for you and you only. Number three, don't to foot is don't hide discolored nails with polish. Some people might observe their nails is changing color, is not the normal healthy color. Instead of them to go to the doctor or to check what to do about it, they will just take a nail polish and polish on top of it. That is not good. Don't do that. When you observe any nail discoloration, try to get the necessary medical help. Number four, don't perform DIY surgery on your nails, on your toes by yourself. Don't do that. Number five, don't cream between toes. Don't cream between your toes. Yeah, the foot, you can moisturize your foot, but between the toes, don't put cream inside there. When you put cream there, you leave your foot in the fresh air to let it dry. When you cream there and you put socks on, it will cause a bigger problem. The bacteria will start to build there and it will cause a lot of damage to your foot. Another don't to foot is don't repeat socks. Yes, don't repeat socks. Some people, they might wear one socks for Monday, wear for the same socks the other day, wear the other day. No, don't repeat socks. When you wear one socks today, change it and wear a fresh one the other day. So now we are going to talk about the DIY weekly spa we are supposed to be giving to our foot. The DIY spa, DIY, like we all know, is do it yourself. If you are the type that is very lazy on how to mix all this recipe together, you can as well get from the shop and use as well. But I normally use DIYs. I like to do things myself. I like to mix myself. I know this is what I'm applying and I'm sure and it's trusted. So what are the DIYs recipe to give your fruits your weekly spa? Number one, you need a bowl that's with your 2 feet with size in. You need 3 liters or 2 liters of lukewarm water, not hot water that will burn you. Lukewarm water, the same water that you can take shower with. You put the 3 liters inside. You add 3 spoons of honey. You get 1 whole lemon. 1 whole lemon. I'll be putting the pictures up there. So you get 1 lemon. You squeeze out the juice from 1 lemon. Add it to that water. Add a few drops of peppermint essential oil. If you don't have peppermint oil, you can melt your shea butter, add it to it. If you don't have shea butter, put 2 spoons or 3 spoons of olive oil. So add it to that water, mix everything together, make sure they are really evenly dissolved. then put your legs inside, your feet inside, and soak it inside that mixture for about 20 to 30 minutes. After soaking it, then you can take your scrub. I'll put also examples of foot scrub there. You scrub all the hard skin out, all the unhard. You scrub properly. You don't need, because after soaking it in water, you don't need too much strength to scrub, like scrubbing. You scrub a bit. Some people use stones, some use different type you can buy from the shop. After scrubbing, get a towel, dry the foot properly. So after doing that, then you dry the foot, then you get your foot cream. If you don't have a special cream that you are using, like me, I use shea butter. Put a little bit of shea butter on your hand and use that shea butter to massage the feet very well. Massage, and you are good to go. Do this weekly. When you have a very busy and tight schedule, you can do twice in a month or 3 times in a month. Add it to your beauty routine. Yeah, when you really keep up to all these tips and advice from this video, you'll be glad you did. All season throughout the year, like some people take it as their culture, like when the summer season is coming, that is the time they really pay attention to their feet. That is not really the truth. Throughout the year, there is a necessity to care and pay attention to our body, to our foot, to our feet, especially for those people living across the globe. Like the winter time is the period where we often wear boots. We are always on socks the whole day, and the socks, they are really thick that it will be very difficult for the legs, for the feet to breathe. This is the period where, if really care is not taken, if the routine is not being paid attention to, this is the time where most people develop a feet odor, which is and the cold can even cause sweating in the feet that can aggregate various painful foot issues. So my viewers, always take it as part of your routine. After all said and done, what are the advantages? What are the benefits? What are the importance of keeping up with this routine, with these tips? What are the importance? Yeah, number one important, when you follow this care and really pay attention to your feet, you will have a painless foot. You will not have pains. Number two, it will increase your mobility and physical activity. Number three, it will increase your self-esteem and confidence. Yeah, when you have a beautiful foot, you will be happy, you will feel confident to wear sandal, you'll be happy to show it off, to float it around. Yeah, when you have a beautiful feet, it will also increase your social and physical contact. Yes, it will increase that. After knowing all this, try to practicalize them, try to put them. If you have any other question, put it on the comment section. I definitely read through all comments and I will come to you. Once again, I say thank you all for keeping up with the M&S Beauty Concept channel. I say I love you all. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. We see us.